You play beautifully. It's my hobby. Hi, this is Mark, and this is English Conversation Practice 10. Very short conversations, set 18. So be sure to see all the videos in the series. Plus, in the second part, we will take turns. So stick around for the second part so we can take turns. Are you ready to practice with me? Yes? Okay, great. Let's do it. Musical instruments. You play beautifully. Thank you. It's my hobby. Photography. The camera really likes your face. Thanks. I model as a hobby. Pottery. Making pottery is relaxing. It must be a fantastic hobby. Woodworking. That's a beautiful chair. Thanks. Woodworking is my hobby. Hobby supplies. What are you doing? I'm ordering supplies for my hobby. Dance. How do you stay in such great shape? By dancing. It's a great hobby. Knitting. Are you knitting? Yes, I'm making a sweater. Painting. Wow, that's a lovely painting. Thanks. I've been working on it for a long time. Cooking. Are you a trained chef? No, not at all. It's only my hobby. Silk screen. Where did you learn to do that? Through an online hobby app. Let's take turns. I will go first. I will be the blue sentences. And you will go second. You will be the black sentences. You play beautifully. The camera really likes your face. Making pottery is relaxing. That's a beautiful chair. What are you doing? How do you stay in such great shape? Are you knitting? Wow, that's a lovely painting. Are you a trained chef? Where did you learn to do that? Let's switch. You will go first. You will be the blue sentences. And I will go second. I will be the black sentences. Thank you. It's my hobby. Thanks. I model as a hobby. It must be a fantastic hobby. Thanks. Woodworking is my hobby. I'm ordering supplies for my hobby. By dancing. It's a great hobby. Yes, I'm making a sweater. Thanks. I've been working on it for a long time. No, not at all. It's only my hobby. Through an online hobby app. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe and please ring that bell to get all my videos. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And for worksheets and flashcards, please check out my website, markkulek.com. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.